it's Jennifer Sparks. Happy New Year to all of you. It's January 2022, and I am back in Atlantic City. I love this little city. I used to come here when I was a kid. We're staying at Caesars for 2 nights, and I'm so excited to be going to hit some slots and go get some nice meals. I never stayed at Caesars before, so I'm pretty stoked. In this video, this isn't about the slots, this isn't about the hotels. I have videos of those to come in the future. So this video is going to be a walking and driving tour. We're going to be going first by the outlets. We went to a place called Wingcraft. We haven't been there yet. It was our first time there. Secondly, we're going to be going out to the Boardwalk. And this was just magical because it was really cold and there was hardly anybody on there. Like it's just I'm going to be taking you for a stroll on the Boardwalk just to see what it's like when there's nobody else there. It even snowed. It was very, very special. Then I'm going to be taking you through a drive around town. So stick around if you want to see what the vibe is like in Atlantic City, New Jersey. So our first adventure here is our little walk around where the outlets are. We're going to a place called Wingcraft. We weren't able to get in. Last time we were here, it was in April. It was so crazy crowded. Wasn't the same problem we had this night. I was really surprised my husband even wanted to go out because when looking for a getaway, we were looking for like a casino so we didn't have to go anywhere. We could just stay in, and Caesars has so many great restaurants, but he really wanted to try this Wingcraft. So here we are. Right across the street there is the Sheraton Hotel, which is right next to the convention center. It was chilly, but it was a beautiful walk and a beautiful sunset. And just like that, it's the next morning. Here we are in back of Caesars. We are at the Boardwalk in Atlantic City. Once again, it was chilly and it was even raining a little bit, but we wanted to take a walk down to Hard Rock and Resorts. The Boardwalk is located right on the beach, and it was an absolutely awesome place to walk. As you could see, nobody else was out. First of all, it was chilly and it was a little rainy, but there's just so many sights to take in, whether they're glamorous or not so glamorous. It's just like a really interesting place. If you're watching this video because you love Atlantic City, let me know in the comments below where your favorite places are to see and gamble and eat. I would love to know because I really love this place and I want to come here a lot more often. I live in Connecticut and I'm always in Florida and I'm just traveling around everywhere. So Atlantic City is only like 3.5 hours away from where I live. A lot of the businesses were closed when I was there. This is January and it's during the week, but there were some little stores that were open. Birds that have not flown south yet, or maybe this is their south, maybe they're from Canada, who knows. Atlantic City has a lot of history. I mean, some of these hotels have been here since like the early 1920s. One of the ones I wanted to check out was Resorts because I know they're going to be doing a lot of remodeling on there. I think they're trying to make it like a Margaritaville kind of theming, so I wanted to see that. Not that I personally would want to see that because I love the old theming. I loved, the history of the hotel, but it's one of my favorite ones to go check out. I'll be having a video of that. Hard Rock, obviously Caesars. I was staying there. I have a video of the room too. I haven't even watched that yet. I don't know how that came out. And we also went to Bally's. On our way back from Hard Rock and Resorts, it started to snow. It was really pretty. I really just enjoyed the silence and how peaceful everything sounded. I've never seen Atlantic City like this. But this most likely is my first time I've ever been midweek in January. Great time to come here if you really don't like crowds. Now we're heading back to Caesars. We had a really awesome lunch at the Hard Rock Cafe at the Hard Rock Hotel. I found some of my favorite slots. I love the Vanna White Wheel of Fortune slots that are at Resorts World in New York. I absolutely love those slots, so I was super excited to find those there at Resorts and Hard Rock. All right, now we're back in the car. It was This is the morning after we had spent a wonderful night at Bally's and Caesars, and now we are heading back to Connecticut. So before we hit the Atlantic City Expressway, I'm just going to take a little cruise around town and do some filming. We are also starting a new YouTube channel called USA Driving Tour. If you're interested in checking that out, I'm filming with our Rove on our car, all the different places we go, and then I upload them to my phone, and then I put them on YouTube for anybody that wants to see what all the towns look like that we're going to, because, you know, hey, we're going to them anyway, so why not? And I really appreciate my husband Kelly for understanding my need to travel. I don't know, I just have such a restless heart. I just really love to see new places, and I love to film them and bring others along on my journey. Sorry about the bumpy road over here. What a way to start the tour. Welcome to Atlantic City.
for 2 miles.
City. Oh, until we meet again, I love this place so much. All right, I'm going to leave 3 playlists here for you. If you like these videos and you want to see more of Atlantic City, I'm going to leave my Atlantic City playlist. I'm going to leave my casino playlist of all the casinos I went to, Las Vegas, Connecticut, New York. All of them will be here. And what the heck, I'm going to drop my driving tour playlist here too because, hey, why not? If you are still here with me, thank you so much. You rock the hardest. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Safe travels.